This breaking news coming in. CBI has moved the Supreme Court seeking arrest and custodial interrogation of former West Bengal Police Commissioner Rajiv Kumar in connection with the Sarda scam. The CBI says that he has not been cooperating. Remember, the Calcutta High Court had granted him bail in October last year. The latest development is crucial as Rajiv Kumar is considered close to Mamata Banerjee, and this application has its political significance in view of the forthcoming assembly elections in the state set to witness the bitter TMC versus the BJP fight. Anisha Mathur now joins us on the phone line. Anisha, CBI plea in Supreme Court on Mamata's government links. This is set to further heat the bitter political battle and atmosphere which is already existing in the state between the TMC and BJP.
Well, yes, this petition that has been filed now seeks interrogation of former police chief Rajiv Kumar. The CBI has also alleged that there is, despite the court's orders last year, remember in 2019 there were court orders for the Mamata government to cooperate with the investigation in the Sarda scam case. The CBI is now claiming that there is continuous sabotage of the investigation, and there is a continued effort to evade and escape the probe and scuttle the investigation. So a lot of allegations are now being raised once again by the CBI. Crucially, this is going to be very, very important now, particularly since the electoral battle is heating up. The Supreme Court, of course, is going to take up the matter once it reopens after the winter vacation. But this, the fact that this petition has now been filed is going to be something of a political flashpoint in this state, which is heading towards election. But remember, the CBI has been investigating this matter for a long time, and in 2019, it had in fact called for cancellation of the bail that had been granted to Rajiv Kumar, claiming that the police is deliberately scuttling the investigation, that the West Bengal police is not cooperating. The CBI has also earlier as well and once again raised pointed fingers at the Mamata Banerjee government, claiming that there is effort coming in from the top to scuttle the investigation. So how this works out once the matter comes to court is going to be interesting to see, particularly in light of the upcoming election. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks for joining us, Anisha, with those details right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.